Hi everybody. In today's class I will explain you chapter circles. It is chapter 10th, okay, of class 10, exercise 10.1. These are the circles and tangents is the topic of this chapter. So okay, this line, it is non PQ. PQ is non-intersecting line with respect to the circle. Okay. Here PQ is the intersecting line. It intersects the circle in 2 points A and B. Okay. And in third circle, here PQ is the line intersect the circle at a single point. So okay. So when it touch at a single point, this line is called the tangent of the circle. When it touch in 2 points or intersect at 2 points to the circle, that line means PQ in this case is called the secant of the circle. Okay. Now, tangent of the circle, its definition is the tangent to a circle is a line that intersects the circle at only one point. Okay. Thus, there is only one tangent at a point. Okay. Now it is the common point of the tangent and the circle is called the point of contact. That means you see here this point is called the point of contact. So okay, the tangent intersect the circle at a single point. So this line is tangent and this point is called the point of contact. Now exercise 1.10.1. okay, class 10 mathematics chapter 10 circle exercise 10.1. it is related to tangents of a circle. Now first question is, how many tangents can a circle have? Since there lie infinity many points on a circle, so infinity many tangents can be drawn to the given circle. Okay, fill in the blanks. Second question, the tangent to a circle intersect it in, you know already I have told, only one point. Okay. Second is the line intersecting a circle in 2 points is called secant. It's okay, already I have shown you. A circle may have two parallel tangents. These are two parallel, just opposite side of the circle. It's okay. Fourth is the common point of the tangent and the circle is called the point of contact. Fifth is two tangents drawn from an external point of a circle are equal in length. Got it? Question number 3. A tangent PQ at a point P of a circle of radius 5 cm meet a line through the center O at a point Q so that OQ is equal to 12 cm length. PQ is, so okay. Now check in. This is the circle. The center to the point on the tangent, it is a 5 cm, and this a point Q from the circle, on the tangent is OQ has given 12 cm. Okay, we have to find out QP, so okay, or PQ, and we know since the tangent is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact, the tangent is perpendicular to the radius through point of contact. So okay, so by Pythagoras it is a right angle triangle. It is a perpendicular 90 degree. So it is a right angle triangle. By Pythagoras theorem, we can find out base square is equal hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square. Okay, by Pythagoras theorem, it is OQ square PQ is equal under root OQ square minus OP square. So it is under root 12 square minus 5 square. It is under root 119 centimeter. Okay, so option is fourth option. Next question is, draw a circle and two lines parallel to the given line. Draw a circle and two line parallel to the given line. It is the L1 is the given line and L2 and L3 are the parallels to the L1. Okay. Such that one is tangent and other is secant to the circle. It's okay. One should be tangent. Tangent intersect the circle in a single point. So L2 is the tangent and secant intersect the circle in 2 points. So that is the L3 is the secant. So okay. So draw a circle of any radius with center O and L1 be any line outside it. Through point P, draw a line L2 parallel to line L1, since line L2 touches the circle in 1 point only. Therefore, line L2 is the tangent. L2 is the tangent. Okay. Next, also draw a line L3 parallel to L1 and intersecting the circle at the points A and B. Therefore, line L3 is the secant of the circle. L3 line is the secant of the circle. Thank you very much.